Hello and good morning, all. I have some breaking news coming out of the Supreme Court about the abortion law down in Louisiana and how the law got struck down. But before we get to that, could you all do me a big favor and hit the like button and subscribe to my channel? I'd like to get to about 125 or more, 125, at least 125 subscribers before the end of the month. Now on to the story. Supreme Court strikes down Louisiana law on abortion clinic restrictions, and I'm for that. The court ruled right. The Supreme Court on Monday ruled that a Louisiana law requiring that individuals who perform abortions at clinics have admitting privileges in nearby hospitals is unconstitutional as it places an undue burden on women seeking abortions. The court ruled 5-4 in the case June Medical Service LLC versus Russo, with Chief Justice John Roberts once again casting the deciding vote by siding with the court's liberal justices. Now, I'm thinking it's a good thing for pure economic reasons. It's cheaper in the long run for a woman to have abortion than taxpayers have to pay for the kid and all that stuff. And before someone says they're pro-life, that the kid that being aborted could turn out saving inventing a cure for cancer or something like that. Just as easy to say the kid that you save from abortion turns out to be the next Hitler. Don't go there. It's it's too easy to go the exact opposite way, just as evil. The majority opinion written by Justice Stephen Breyer noted that Louisiana law is almost word for word identical to a Texas law the court ruled was unconstitutional in 2016. Whole, Whole Women's Health versus Heller State. A district court had rejected the Louisiana law because of the precedent, but a court of appeals ruled otherwise. He examined the extensive record and carefully concluded that it supports the district court's finding of fact by those findings mirror those made in the whole women's health in every relevant aspect and require the same result. We can get, we hold that the Louisiana statute is unconstitutional. Breyer noted that the district court found that the law offers no significant health benefit and that conditions of admitting privilege common to hospitals throughout the state have made and will continue to make it impossible for abortion providers to attain conforming privileges for reasons that have nothing to do with the state asserted interest in promoting women's health and safety. Roberts had a dissented in 2016 case, but ruled with the majority on Monday because he followed the court's precedent. Okay, that kind of makes sense. If the court ruled one way one time, you have to rule the same way. The later doctrine of stare decisis requires us, absent of special circumstances, to treat like cases alike. Robert wrote in concurring opinion. The Louisiana law imposes a burden on access to abortion just as severe as that imposed by the Texas law for the same reason. Therefore, Louisiana law cannot stand under our precedents. That's the one bad thing about precedents. In dissent, Justice Clarence Thomas wrote, today a majority of the court perpetuates its ill-founded abortion jurisprudence by enjoining a perfectly legitimate state law and doing so without jurisdiction. There's a Supreme Court. Everything is their jurisdiction. It is the latest closely watched court battle where Roberts had cast a critical vote in anger conservatives. One, he's not going by one way or the other. He goes by the law. That's how it should be. The court recently ruled in a 5-4 decision penned by Roberts that President Trump's reversal of President Barack Obama's executive order that shielded immigrants who came to the country illegally as children from deportation was in violation of the Administrative Procedure Act, which sets out rulemaking procedures for federal agency. It was Roberts who, by signing with the liberal wing and reinterpreting an individual mandate as tax, allowed Obamacare to be found constitutional in 2012. Last year, he joined with the wing again in shutting down Trump's efforts to add a citizen question to the census. As long as the judges remain can keep an open mind, I like it, and I like having someone a wild card in justice. It keeps everything more fun. So, what do you guys think about the abortion rule? You think they did the right thing, like I do, or do you think they were wrong? Let me know in the comments down below. And as always, could you hit the like button and subscribe? It'll help me out a lot. And be good, have fun, stay safe. Bye bye.